Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Cook Plant and Decor. And how I promised you, I am here to continue my home decoration. And today we're going to do a refreshment to the entrance of the house. I hope I can give you some inspiration for you to do yours. So stay tuned. See you in a minute. This will be a continuation of the Cook Plant and Decor decoration series that we started here at the front porch. Here you have a little bit of that. Sometimes we forget about the front foyer area. Let's create today a welcoming entryway that will go along with the rest of your home, and you and your visitors will enjoy every time. The entryway is the first place where people step into your home. You don't want to add too much in your entryway, but you need to add some pieces that represent your personality. Okay, after a good cleaning to my entryway, let's start the decoration. I will keep these three pieces from the previous decor: the lamp, the table, and the sign on the wall. Placing a mirror in your entryway is a very good idea. Will reflect light and amplify the amount of energy that enters to your home. In my opinion, a beautiful vase with your favorite floral arrangement will transmit happiness and beauty to the eyes. A good book is always a good choice, and I choose Homebody from Joanna Gaines. I like to add some life elements to all my decorations, so I'm going to add two of my beautiful plants to my entryway. I am also adding this natural doormat from Magnolia that I am in love with. It looks beautiful in my decoration. I love my home sign. I got it at Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link below. My friends help me to decide which vase I should keep, the first one or this one. I love both. Let me know in your comments. And remember that the will of God will never take you where the grace of God cannot keep you. Okay guys, this is the end of today's video. I really enjoy decorating with you. Thank you for staying with me to the end. I hope I gave you some inspiration to decorate your entryway. And I want to take a second. Yes, I want to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you. And if you just passing by today, please receive my friendly invitation to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my coming up videos. And today I just want to say bye-bye, just for now. See you in the next video. And remember, cook, plant, and decor, and be happy.